Pizza.
So I got 3 slices, 1 margarita, 1 regular cheese slice, and the Sicilian. About a year ago, my friend took some takeout of Joe and Pat's and brought it to my house, and we had a reheat tasting. But I'm really excited that I get to go to Joe and Pat's and have a fresh slice. So as you can see, look how thin that was, and you can see when they were making it, that it was like paper thin. Typically, I don't know if this could hold up as well, but it's fish, which is a carousel oven. But let's see how it goes. So let's taste it. So this is probably one of the thinnest slices I've ever had. I mean, obviously it has not enough integrity to hold it up, the undercarriage, but it smells really good. Once you walk right in, you can really smell the flavors of pizza. So let's try it. Wow, the flavor from the tomato and the combination of cheese really tastes good. This is the margarita. The dough tastes really developed. The thinness contributes to a quick heat time. Obviously the crust part, a little crunchy, really good. Now for the regular cheese slice, same situation, using some low moisture mozzarella. I can see why they could probably sell a large pie for 12 bucks on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the special. I think having a reheated pizza is great, but having it straight out of the oven, so much better. I am really enjoying this. Typically, I don't like when pizzas are too dried out with the consistency of like a cracker, but this is super thin and it works well. Now for the Sicilian. Nice square. See that big aeration there, pocket. Okay, leoparding. Backside, so far looks good. Smells really good. You can smell the basil. Yeah, it's right there. Looks like they use a combination of fresh mozzarella, hard cheeses, and low moisture. This one obviously can hold up a little bit more. A little bit chewier. Then a little snap from the crust. The crumb is good, nice and tight at the same time. I do like the spots where it combines a cheese and sauce. Prefer more sauce than cheese. That last bite had a bunch of right there, a bunch of sauce. Really good. I'll try the dry spot. That is good. I do like the sauce. The sauce is really good. What I like most about this pizza is that quality of the cheese does not make the pizza greasy. I don't think this thinness could hold up to a bad mozzarella. So glad they use a high quality mozzarella. I'm gonna rate the margarita 8.9, the regular cheese slice 8.9 as well. And the Sicilian, I'm gonna give it an 8.7. This is a place you really need to go to. I'm so happy that I got to come today. If you like this video, you'll like this video that I did a reheat review